Hi everyone. So we have Angel here from Texas.
Hi.
She came and took a 6-hour class and made all 3 of these outfits. She did an amazing job learning how to trim on the cover stitch, and we even got her on some industrial sewing machines.
Yes.
So Angel, the first question I want to ask you is, what were you struggling with before today when it came to sewing?
I was struggling with learning how to trim. I would watch YouTube videos. I really couldn't get it. But Ross showed me how to use the cover stitch machine with the binding attachment, and it made it so much easier. We had a few hiccups, but even with making mistakes, she showed me how to correct it, which is important because when you're at home, you don't have that one-on-one attention. So I felt like I can go home and do it myself.
Okay, perfect. So, in one sentence, how would you describe this class?
This class was extremely productive. I made actual wearable pieces. I'll probably keep this one for myself, sell this one, and use this one to learn how to do just a basic sewing in the back. Because we did something I'm not used to with the long strings. So I gotta practice that.
Yeah.
But we did a great job. We got so much done.
We did.
I didn't expect to do this much.
You didn't?
No, I didn't.
Listen, one thing about it is when you come, you're going to work. Because I want you to get your money's worth.
We even did some rhinestoning. I never used the heat press.
She learned how to use the heat press.
Yeah, we did all kinds of stuff today. Very pleased. Very much worth the trip.
Perfect. And the last question I'm going to ask you is, what can you confidently do now that you couldn't do before this class?
So I've had a cover stitch actually for 3 years sitting in the box. So I can go home and successfully open it and use it and actually make this, because for this one, she really just sat and watched me do it, and I was able to do it by myself.
Yep.
So trust me, it's definitely worth the investment. You'll make your money back 1,000 times over, and if you're thinking about it, definitely take the class.
Right. Well, thank you so much, Angel. It was a pleasure having you. You are a very quick learner.
Thank you.
And shout out, do you have a business page?
Yes, my business page is Spicy Dance Shop. So if you want to tune in and see what I've learned and see how I grow, I'd appreciate it if you follow me on Instagram.
All right, you guys, check her out. She's going to be the next hottest upcoming designer. And you heard it here first.
Thank you.
Thank you.